Hey swing trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, let's take a look at Walt Disney Company. It's American stock, ticker symbol DIS. Before I start, I get a lot of questions about my charting software. The charting software I use is TradingView. It is a web-based charting platform. So that means that you can access your charts anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. If you upgrade to the Pro features, you can split your charts into 2 or more charts at a time. That way you can do your top-down analysis faster and go through more forex pairs and stock charts faster, saving time on switching through monthly, weekly, and daily charts. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. Okay, on the left hand chart here, every candle is 1 week. On the bottom right corner here, every candle is 1 month. And on the upper right corner here, every candle is 3 months. So it's a very long-term chart that I look at. I trade these longer time frames because on the daily charts, it's a mess usually on stocks just because there's so many buys and sell orders that it's very small candles. Even on the weekly here, the candles are pretty small. Okay, so that's the reason why I trade 3 months, monthly, and weekly charts, and the weekly chart is my entry. Okay, let's take a look at the 3 months chart here first, do a top-down analysis. As we can see that it's clearly in an uptrend. It rallied for many months, and then now it retraced and then it rallied again. So let's just draw a trend line here. More or less looks like that. So it's an uptrend, and there's a big wide bullish candle here. So we know big banks and hedge fund managers and big institutional traders are buying right here. Okay, let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly, same thing. It's in a clear uptrend. It's been ranging, but now it's in a clear uptrend. So let's draw our trend line. Okay, and it created a very good demand zone down here. With the rally base, looks like it's going to rally again. And on the weekly, this is the same zone as right here on the monthly, so we know it's a very strong zone because it's located within the monthly and the 3 month chart. So if price retraces down here, this is where we want to buy. But on the short term, we could be, if price breaks this high, we could look to buy down here. If price ever breaks here and then a couple of weeks later retrace to this zone, we can think about buying it, just because it's always going to be, it's been making new highs. It's in a clear uptrend on longer time frames. So once, and this looks like a really strong bar that it formed too. So if price, like let's say a price, let me do my screen draw. Okay, so if price wants to go up and then trace down, we buy right here. We buy at this line here or in this, anywhere in this zone, and it will it will most likely go up because it has such a good strong green bar. This signals a lot of strong buying orders and strong momentum. And so yeah, so if it's within the next 2 or 3 bars, if it goes up and then crashes down, we can think about buying right here. But if after a few months and it does nothing, or if it does nothing, and then it comes down, we have to wait to see. We have to wait for a valid entry point at that time. It's not going to be valid anymore, so we just have to look. But if Disney provides any kind of long opportunities, I will be updating this chart and uploading a new video. So please make sure you are subscribed. That way you don't miss any future videos that I upload that could be giving you potential setups to go long or short on the markets. And that is the analysis on Disney stock. Walt Disney Company, DIS is the ticker symbol. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.